Alright, good day guys and welcome to this tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up a Facebook ad campaign that could lead you straight up to your WhatsApp DM, okay? So before you start up doing this, you have to make sure that on your Facebook page, you must have already connected your WhatsApp business account as a button on your Facebook page. That's the first thing you have to enable, okay? So having done that, the next thing you have to do is what? You know how I got to this ads manager homepage. For the benefit of those that are doing this for the first time, you just go to your web browser, input the URL web.facebook.com /ads manager. Okay, that's how I got to this part. So having done that, the next thing you have to do is what? You come to this button that says create here, click on it. Alright, so having done that, you come here, scroll down. So what you need to pick is what? This engagement objective. I know that before now a good number of you must have been using this traffic objective, okay? So this traffic objective is majorly for people that have something like a website. They are looking to get a good list of people that could visit their websites, but it's not as if they are taking specific actions. Someone can just visit your website. It's just to increase the list of or a number of website what visitors, or for people that are looking for landing page views, people to view their page and go through some certain pages, and that is it, okay? So it's not really ideal for someone that is looking to generate ads that could lead straight up to WhatsApp DM, okay? So what you just have to use is what? This engagement objective, okay? So having clicked on this objective, I now have to click on what? Continue. Alright, so remember that you are meant to do what? To rename your campaign, okay? So you'll be able to do what? To differentiate which ad is running currently and which one you're supposed to do what? To turn off, okay? So it's very, very important so that you can differentiate from which one you are running currently. So the name of this campaign, I want to name it affiliate ad, okay? So having named my campaign, the next thing I have to do is what? To go to my ad set level, okay? So is either I come here, click on this tab to go to my ad set level, or I come here, click on this next tab here, on this next button here. So I just want to click on the ad set tab here, click on it. All right, so coming down to this ad set level, so since I'm looking to do what? To run ads directly to WhatsApp, I have to leave it at this first option that says messaging apps. Should there be a case maybe I'm looking to run ads to get page likes or whatever, I have to choose this last option that says Facebook page, okay? This is for someone that is looking to promote his or her page to get more followers or page likes, okay? So that's the option you have to choose. But for the fact that I'm looking to send people directly to my WhatsApp, I have to choose this first option, okay? So having done that, scroll down. Now what I'm meant to do here is to do what? To select the actual page I intend to use to run my ads, okay? So this is now my official page, so I just have to click on that uh edit button here. Now you can see a list of pages. So this is the official page I intend to use to run these ads. I click it. So now having selected it, I scroll down, I uncheck this messaging, that's this messenger tab here. I uncheck it because I'm not looking to, like, for people to message me on my Facebook Messenger. No, I just want people to come directly to my WhatsApp, okay? So remember what I said initially, you need to must have connected your WhatsApp business account on your Facebook page, okay? So as you can see, this is my WhatsApp business phone number that is already connected on my page, okay? So having done that, I scroll down, I come to this budget part. I input how much I intend to spend per day. So for the essence of this video, I want to spend 3,000 naira per day on this ad that I'm trying to create. Okay. So having done that, scroll down. Okay, the start date and the end date, you just have to leave it the way it is. There's no need for you to change it so that you could be able to be the one to turn off your ad or on it at any moment you intend to do it. Okay, so having done that part, then you have to come down here and scroll down, getting now coming down to this audience part. Here is for you to do what to do your audience setup. Remember, you have to click on this drop down, change to this second option that says people living in this location, because you want your ad to only show to people that are living in Nigeria and not to people that just change their location recently to Nigeria. So should there be a case you want to run this ad to other location or specific locations in Nigeria, you can uncheck or remove this Nigeria here and put the specific locations you want to reach. You understand, with your ad, something like you want to reach people only in Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt. You understand? So you can just input it and remove Nigeria. The same thing is applicable if you want to reach certain locations in Africa, maybe something like Ghana, Cameroon, South Africa, and all the rest of them. Okay, so moving down here is where you get to choose the age range you want to reach with your ad. So I want to reach age range 20 to possibly 35. This is the set of people I want to reach with these ads. All right. So having done that, since what I'm doing is not really gender based, it's for both genders, I have to leave it this way. But should there be a case it's for a specific gender, I have to click on a date and select from a list of maybe either male or female. Okay, so it all depends on the kind of thing you are trying to promote. Should there be a case maybe you're trying to promote female wears, clothes, and others, you just have to choose only females. So that's it. So now coming down here is for you to choose the actual keywords or the detailed targeting you want to reach with your ad. So remember that this the course I'm trying to promote is an affiliate marketing course. So I know that people that will most likely resonate with this are people that are interested in maybe business opportunity. Okay, so these are the kind of keywords that you are looking to reach. For someone that is promoting an affiliate marketing course, you shouldn't be looking to read keywords like affiliate marketing, affiliate network. You understand? Because these are people that are already into the affiliate marketing system already. So you reaching them with your ad is not really ideal, because you're going to attract people that already have idea of what you are actually promoting, and it will end up uh, making you not getting the results you really sought for. So having put this first keyword here, so let's assume I don't really have an idea of any other keyword to use. I can just click on this suggestion button here. So Facebook will actually give me a list of suggestions. Okay, list of suggestions to use. So I want to choose entrepreneurship. I want to choose passive income as well. Okay, choose passive income. Can choose something like investments. People that have interest in anything investment can as well like to pick up such an offer like this. You can pick something like financial plan. Alright, so you can see the keywords I actually use: investment strategy, business opportunity, financial plan, passive income, entrepreneurship. So these are all good keywords to use. Okay, so coming down to this language part, this is something I normally like doing. I make sure that my ads are showing to people that are very fluent in English. So I don't want people that have like they can communicate in local language but they can't communicate in English to see my ad. Okay, so That's the essence of doing what? To setting up these parts. Okay, so you just have for wait a little bit for the actual setups to populate. Okay, all right, so we choose this first option that says all. All right, so with that I'm actually done with the art set level. Okay, so coming down to this placement part, you can actually leave it the way it is currently. Okay, so leave it on advantage plus placement. So what I have to do next is to click to go to the art level. Is that I click on this tab here, or I come down here, I click on this next tab here. Okay, so what I have to do is just to click on this tab here. All right, so coming down to this part, this is where you're expected to do what? To input an image you intend to use. That's your art creative. That has to do with your ad image, your art copy, your headline, and whatever. So you just have to click on this add media part. So let's say I want to add an image, I have to choose this first option. If I'm looking to add something like a short video, I have to choose this second option. So what I'm using is an image, so I just have to do what? Click on this first option. Okay, so having clicked on it, so let's assume I want to pick up an image from my desktop database. Okay, I just have to click on this upload button. It will show a list of details like the images I have currently on my phone or my PC, so I can actually select from there. But for the essence of this video, I'll be using an image I've already uploaded over time, so I have to use this first image here. So having selected it, I click on next. So having done that, this option that says, as in based on this recommendation they gave me, if I should leave this picture this way, it will go halfway for that particular placement. So I just have to choose this first option that says original, although they are going to give me this warning sign. So is in due course I will tell you how to do what, to make sure that this particular placement that is showing you this warning, you don't show your art on that. So let's move on. You enable this. Okay, so having added the image successfully, the next thing that is required of me is to do what? To input the art copy I intend to use, that copyright. Okay, so for someone that is actually creating an ad, you ought to have already uh, like saved your art copy, your ad headline, caption, and everything, at least in, could it be an empty Google Doc, so that as you're setting up your ad, you can actually pull everything out from there. Okay, so like you can see here, this is a doc which I'm using currently. I've already used it to do what? To place my ad copy, my ad headline, and all that stuff. Okay, so for me to copy my ad copy, I just have to highlight this, then copy it. So having copied it, come to this primary text bar here, select it, then I have to paste. So now having pasted that, I have to then scroll down. Okay, so the next thing that is required of me is my ad headline. So let me go out first and copy my headline. So I'm getting to scroll down here, you can see the headline I intend to use. Okay, so I copy it. Okay, so having copied it, scroll down, click on this headline. Okay, I highlight that, then I paste the headline I copied. Okay, so having done that, then I have to scroll down. So coming to this call to action button, this is where you get to choose maybe a list of other call to action buttons to use to run or set up your ad. So if you're looking to use something like learn more, order now, shop now, subscribe, sign up, apply now, book now, whichever of these options you intend to use, you can choose from them. Okay. So, but for the essence of this video, I just want to leave it at the WhatsApp message call to action button. Okay. So having done that, when you scroll down, see the sample here, everything is going to reflect very much later. Okay, everything I set up should reflect here very much soon. Both the headline and everything should reflect. Okay, so now this part is the messaging template you intend to use. So let's assume you don't want to use the one that Facebook have already set up for you. You can just decide to do what? To click on edit. Okay, so once you click on edit, should say show you the templates that Facebook have already given to you. So I will show you a template sample that I've actually tried to draft out here. Okay, so this is the template Facebook actually gave to you, and that means if someone gets to see your ads and click on it, this is a list of prompts that should come up. Okay, hi, please let us know how we can help you. Now, these are the questions you are going to be asking them. Do you offer any product or services, something like that? So this is the one I actually customized. This is the one I intend to use. So this is the first prompt based on my own customized format. Okay, you can come here, change this, highlight this, remove it, then paste the new one. Okay, so having done that, you can change this first question here, highlight it, and make sure that the question you're using is not more than 80 letter words. Okay, so I can decide to pick this first question that I actually dropped here. Then drop it. Okay, so now automatically all these things here are going to do what? Change. Okay, so once everything actually reflects, everything here is going to do what? Change. So having done that, the next thing I have to do is what? Click on this save and finish button here. Okay, so remember you can change this prompt to your own customized words, question and answer session. Okay, so this is actually a template guide you intend to use. You can leave it the way it is based on Facebook samples. All right, so having done that, now this is the last thing I have to check, okay, before I publish my ad. Remember I told you that, guys, that when I was actually uploading my image, there was actually a particular warning Facebook gave to me that my picture, the image I'm using, the layout is not going to show up in a particular placement. So as you can see here, that issue occurred on my audience network reward video. So what I just need to do is to go back to my ad set level, then effect that change by unchecking the ad audience network rewarded video. I have to uncheck it. Okay, All right, so remember that what I need to do is I need to change my placement from automatic to do what, to manual placement. That's what I need to do. Okay. Okay, so coming to this placement part, I have to choose manual placement instead of using the first option that says advantage plus placement. Okay, so I have to then use manual placement. So having choose that, I have to scroll down, coming down to this audience. That's particular issue, one that is giving me an issue. That's this audience network rewarded videos. So I have to uncheck it. Okay. So having unchecked it, I then have to go back to the ad level and finally do what? Publish this ad. Okay. So now here is the thing. When you actually publish an ad, it will at first start showing you no ad. From no ads, it's processing. That moment it's showing you no ads means it's processing. You have to exercise patience. From it being on no ads, it will go on review. Okay. So normally Facebook ad review process takes a couple of, let's say, 24 to 48 hours before your ads will finally go on review and possibly get published on the Facebook advertising system. So you have to be mindful of this. Okay. So now remember this, the image you intend to use to run your ad, make sure that this is something that is very compelling enough, very attractive. Don't just go and do anything anyhow. It's maybe your Canva Pro, you know how to use it and not dress with, and you just go and do anyhow kind of design and use it as your ad image. It might cost you a lot, like making your ad cost and everything to be way more higher, and it might not really give you the result you are looking for. Okay, so I'll advise you always go for a graphic designer, get a sample of what you want to use, get a graphic designer, let the person do your work for you and give you the results you really need for. So now, very important, make sure that in your ad image, your lead magnet that you intend to use is being stated there. So be it a free video, a free WhatsApp class, a free ebook or whatever, it should be well stated on your image. Okay, now at some point I don't really recommend people use like input their phone number on their image otherwise stated. If maybe you are selling something like a physical product, you can add up your phone number for people to contact you. Okay, but if you are doing lead generation, I don't really recommend people putting up their WhatsApp phone number. You can just leave it, but just make sure you tell people what they really need to do, the kind of actions they need to take in order to reach you on WhatsApp. Okay, so with that being said, I hope this video actually resonates with you. Thank you and God bless. So the last thing that is meant for you to do what now to do is to just publish. Okay, so that's the last thing you need to do. Thank you. God bless.